Hi everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. This is the fifth part of the series on important journals and magazines, and this is the last class on this series. Today we will discuss some more important journals and magazines and some important informations related to them. So let's begin. The first important journal that we are going to talk about is the Criterion. The Criterion was a monthly magazine which was founded by T.S. Eliot in the modern age. And it was published from October 1922 to January 1939. So the first issue was on the October of 1922 and the last issue was on January 1939. A pretty long time. And the Criterion is important because in the first issue, that means on October 1922, The Wasteland was first published in this magazine. The Criterion, T.S. Eliot's most famous poem, The Wasteland, was published in the Criterion. And it also published the works of Luigi Pirandello, E.M. Forster, W.B. Yeats, Virginia Woolf, Ezra Pound, Wyndham Lewis, Middleton Murray, the most important and iconic writers during the modern age. They were the regular contributors in the Criterion. And it is also important because it was the first English journal which published works of the famous European writers like Marcel Proust, Paul Valéry and Jean Cocteau. That's why it is also important. So it was founded by T.S. Eliot. It was a monthly magazine. It was The Wasteland was first published in it. Some famous modern novelists were contributed in this journal, and it was also famous for publishing the important works of the most famous European novelists and writers like Marcel Proust, Paul Valéry, and Jean Cocteau for the first time. Okay, that's all about Criterion. The next important journal is the Scrutiny. The Scrutiny is subtitled as a quarterly review. It was published from 1932 to 1953. And the founders of this magazine were L.C. Knights and F.R. Leavis, the two famous critics you all know. The first issue of the Scrutiny included works of T.S. Eliot, Aldous Huxley, George Santayana, etc. These were the writers who contributed in the Scrutiny. And also it is important because it published some famous critical works, critical theoretical works of critics like William Emerson, I.A. Richards, Herbert Reed. Okay? And it was a quarterly periodical, published from 1932 to 1953. The next one is the Critical Quarterly. So the Scrutiny was subtitled as a quarterly review, and the next the journal is the Critical Quarterly. This is a separate journal, so don't get confused. The Critical Quarterly was founded by two famous writers, C.B. Cox and A.E. Dyson. It was founded in 1958. And it was mainly famous for the works of cultural critics like Raymond Williams, David Lodge, Frank Kermode. They were the main contributors in this journal. It was internationally renowned for the unique blend of cultural studies, literary criticism, poetry, fiction and cinema. So not only the cultural critics but also a variety of works were published in this magazine, the Critical Quarterly, including criticism, poetry, fiction and also film articles on films. These were published in Critical Quarterly. The next one is the New Free Woman. The New Free Woman is a feminist journal. It was a feminist literary magazine which was published monthly, and the founder was Harriet Shaw Weaver, edited by Dora Marsden. Very short lived magazine from June 1913 to December 1913. The New Free Woman. This is not so important, but as it is associated with feminism, I have thought of mentioning that. So you can remember the title, The New Free Woman and the founder. That's it. Okay. Next, the Miscellany. The Miscellany is a periodical published by the Writers' Workshop. You all know Writers' Workshop was established by P. Lal in 1958. It was associated with Indian literature, and P. Lal encouraged Indian authors to write in English. That was the main purpose of Writers' Workshop, and Lal pioneered the translations of the classical works from regional languages into English. For example, Mahabharata, Abhigyan Sakuntalam, etc. So all these kind of translation works, the translation of classic epics and plays and literary texts, these were published by the Indian writers in this periodical, the Miscellany. Okay, and the next one is TESOL Quarterly. Now what is TESOL? TESOL, the full form of TESOL is Teachers of English to Speakers of Other Languages. What is TESOL? It is an international organization. It is the largest professionals of English teachers whose native language is not English. So like us, we have English as our second language. So the teachers whose native language is not English, they formed a group called TESOL, Teachers of English to Speakers of Other Languages. Now this TESOL Quarterly is a quarterly peer-reviewed journal which was published by Wiley Blackwell on behalf of TESOL International Association. So it is currently publishing also. It is a very important journal related to English literature, and it was mainly formed by the English teachers whose native language is not English. Okay, so that's all about the class on important journals and magazines. I have tried to cover up each and every important magazines and periodicals and the informations related to that. I hope this series have helped you a lot. Please put your views in the comment section so that I can have an idea how you like this video. Thank you very much. Keep on watching Dynamic Study. Keep on learning. Please like this video, share this video with your friends. We will meet very soon in another interesting class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.